Hello guys, this is Mahbub, and in this video I will show you how you can use a VPN for secure your internet browsing. So let's get started. First of all, what you need to do, you need to go to your Chrome or Firefox as you want to use for browser. Okay, then you need to search on super VPN. Okay, you will see, you need to super VPN extension. Okay, then you need to click on this, just click on add to Chrome, just click add, and now it will be added to Chrome. Okay, now you need to click on this option and then just click on pin this from here. And now what to do, just click on next, just asking to create an account, just create an account. Next, email address, it's asking for my email address, and let's use a fake mail generator. Okay, copy and then put that mail, validate the temporary email address. Okay, let me change with another one. It's not working. Okay, let me use my own email. Okay, oh, it's already logged, it has already account, so let me log in. Okay, let me check if this, okay, it has worked. Save, no problem. Okay, now which country we want to use, we can select United States if we want, and it's connecting right now. Okay, now you are successfully connected. Okay, so now if I check my IP address, address, you can see my IP address. Okay, let me check what is my IP. Maybe network is a little bit slow, that's why it's taking time. Okay, now you can see this is my IP. Okay, this is my IP, last digit 179. Okay, and now if I want to show you with my another browser, I can show you with this one what is my IP, and you can see my IP last digit 130. So this is different, and if I disconnect this from here, disconnect, and now if I reload this page, you will see this. So this is how you can secure your internet browsing. And so if you use VPN, nobody can track your browsing. Okay, so this is how you can use VPN, and if you have any question on your mind, feel free to ask me. I will definitely try to help you. So thank you, bye bye.